Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with PowerPoint open and a chosen slide. You want to add the icon now. Click Insert then Icons to access built-in symbols, or choose Insert Pictures to import SVG or PNG. Once done, place the icon roughly 1/6 to 1/3 of the slide width so it balances with text. Make sure you use a high-contrast icon for legibility, and think about whether the icon will be resized or recolored later. This saves time when refining layout. Now add the icon and refine it. After inserting, drag or nudge with arrow keys to align precisely. Alignment guides will snap to centers and margins. Use the format ribbon to set exact width/height. Lock aspect ratio so the icon doesn't skew, then change fill and outline colors to match your theme. Once done, use subtle effects sparingly. Excessive shadows or glows increase file size and distract. If using SVG, ungrouping lets you edit parts, but remember to regroup when finished to keep it manageable. Finish by placing the icon into final position and grouping it with related text or shapes so they move together. Once done, preview the slideshow at 100% and, if possible, on the target display to verify contrast and size. Make sure the icon remains sharp. If it looks blurry, swap in an SVG or higher resolution PNG and disable bitmap compression. If issues persist, clear PowerPoint's cache and restart the app. This often resolves rendering glitches quickly, so you don't lose presentation time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.